Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the console and dock near your TV and an outlet. This reduces cable strain and heat buildup. Once connected, plug the HDMI into the TV and the official power adapter into the dock so the console charges and outputs video. Make sure the Joy-Con or Pro controller has batteries or is charged, then pair it using the console's Bluetooth pairing option. This ensures you can navigate menus immediately and begin system setup. You will follow on screen prompts to select language, region, and connect to Wi-Fi so online features work. Next, create or sign into your Nintendo account to access eShop purchases and cloud saves. If children will use it, enable parental controls during this step. Once signed in, update system firmware and check internal storage versus micro SD card presence. Perform updates now so games install and run without interrupted downloads or compatibility issues. You install games from the eShop or by inserting cartridges. Choose internal or micro SD storage as the default so future installs go to the right location. Once a game is installed, create save data and tweak display, audio, and controller sensitivity for comfortable play sessions. This reduces strain and improves performance. If a title fails to launch, power cycle the console, receipt cables and cartridge, and reinstall the latest system up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.